1. 1965 Ford Mustang Pro Street. Price, $40,000, located in Prairie Farm, Wisconsin. This 1965 Ford Mustang Pro Street is a professionally built custom machine that combines classic first-generation Mustang styling with serious supercharged performance. Finished in a striking red exterior over a black interior, this Mustang delivers the aggressive appearance and street presence that Pro Street enthusiasts appreciate while remaining fully functional for real-world driving. Power comes from a built 331 cubic inch small block Ford engine topped with a massive 671 supercharger and dual 750 blower carburetors. The engine is paired with a traditional top-loader 4-speed manual transmission, providing a true muscle car driving experience. A rev limiter and boost retard system help optimize performance while maintaining reliability on pump gasoline. The suspension has been extensively upgraded with Viking adjustable coilovers at all four corners, a Mustang 2 front crossmember, and rack and pinion steering. Out back, ladder bars and a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4.10 gearing help transfer power to the pavement through massive 390/45 or 15 rear tires. Unlike many radical builds, this Mustang remains street-friendly with working lights, heat, and a modern radio featuring Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The seller describes it as an excellent running and driving car that can be enjoyed immediately. Whether attending shows, cruise nights, or weekend events, this supercharged Mustang offers a blend of classic styling, modern upgrades, and serious horsepower that is guaranteed to attract attention everywhere it goes. 2. 1986 Ford Mustang Pro Street. Price, $23,500, located in Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1986 Ford Mustang Pro Street is a former race car that has been transformed into an aggressive street-driven machine with all the visual attitude and performance components enthusiasts expect from a serious Pro Street build. Modified to resemble a later model Mustang, the car features a muscular stance, oversized rear tires, and numerous upgrades designed for both appearance and performance. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 small block V8 equipped with a Sniper EFI fuel injection system. The engine is backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission featuring a reverse pattern manual valve body and Pro stick shifter. Additional performance features include a trans brake, line lock, and upgraded instrumentation with a Holley digital display and Sniper touchscreen monitor. The chassis has been back-halved to accommodate massive rear tires mounted on new Pro Star wheels. New Kirky racing seats, fresh carpeting, fiberglass hood, and interior panels help complete the race-inspired atmosphere. Functional headlights, brake lights, and turn signals allow for street use, making this a unique combination of race car performance and road-going practicality that stands out wherever it appears. 3. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price, $23,500, located in Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street is a purpose-built muscle car that combines aggressive styling, modern upgrades, and serious street performance. Finished in fresh pearl orange paint, the Nova presents a bold appearance that immediately commands attention. Extensive restoration work includes new steel doors, a steel cowl induction hood, updated weather stripping, and a new rear bumper. Under the hood sits a powerful 383-stroker V8 equipped with high-compression pistons, performance camshaft, upgraded valve train components, and a Holley fuel system. The engine is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 4.11 rear gear combination designed to deliver strong acceleration. The vehicle is also configured for nitrous use, offering additional performance potential. The chassis includes 4-wheel disc brakes, upgraded front suspension components, a 6-point roll cage, racing seats, and harnesses. Weld wheels wrapped in wide Hoosier rear tires complete the Pro Street appearance. Streetable and backed by a clean title, this Nova delivers the classic muscle car experience with the added excitement of a highly modified Pro Street build. 4. 1970 Dodge Challenger Pro Street. Price, $31,000, located in Tipton, Indiana. This 1970 Dodge Challenger Pro Street represents one of the most recognizable muscle car platforms ever produced, enhanced with modifications that create an unmistakable street and show presence. Combining classic Mopar styling with a purpose-built Pro Street attitude, this Challenger is designed for enthusiasts who appreciate both performance and rarity. The vehicle retains the aggressive body lines that made the 1970 Challenger a legend during the golden era of American muscle cars. Wide rear tires, upgraded drivetrain components, and performance-oriented modifications help create a commanding stance that attracts attention at every event. The seller notes that the vehicle is being offered as a complete package along with associated components and equipment. Built for enthusiasts who enjoy classic muscle cars with a custom touch, this Challenger offers a blend of vintage styling and modernized performance potential. Whether displayed at car shows, driven on weekend cruises, or added to a serious collection, it remains an iconic representation of Mopar performance. Opportunities to acquire customized early Challengers are increasingly rare, making this an attractive option for dedicated muscle car enthusiasts. 5. 1985 Mercury Capri Pro Street. Price, $28,000, located in Tollsboro, Kentucky. This 1985 Mercury Capri Pro Street is a highly developed street-legal race car built for enthusiasts who demand serious performance. While fully titled, insured, and legal for street use, this Capri leans heavily toward competition-oriented engineering and delivers the kind of acceleration typically associated with dedicated drag racing machines. Power comes from a 376 cubic inch dark block small block Ford fitted with Brodix cylinder heads, a high-lift solid roller camshaft, vacuum pump, large carburetor, and nitrous system. The drivetrain is complemented by a fully rollerized C4 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle. The car is mini-tubbed, caged, and equipped with weld wheels and beadlocks for maximum traction. Performance figures reported by the seller demonstrate the vehicle's capabilities both naturally aspirated and on nitrous. Features such as a trans brake and line lock further enhance its drag racing potential. Despite its race-focused nature, the car remains street-legal and can be enjoyed beyond the track. This Capri represents a rare opportunity to own a serious pro street machine with proven performance credentials. 6. 1936 Plymouth Street Rod. Price, $25,500, located in Fort Gibson, Oklahoma. This 1936 Plymouth Street Rod offers timeless pre-war styling combined with dependable Chevrolet V8 power and classic street rod appeal. Finished in silver with a gray interior, the car presents a distinctive appearance that continues to attract attention at cruise nights, local shows, and automotive gatherings. Power is supplied by a Chevrolet 350 V8 equipped with a thumper camshaft, aluminum high-rise intake manifold, and an 800 CFM Holley carburetor. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, creating a proven combination known for reliability and enjoyable cruising characteristics. A GM rear axle with 3.73 positraction gearing helps put power to the pavement, while an additional set of 4.11 gears is included. The vehicle features air conditioning, although the seller notes that it currently requires attention. As an older build, the car displays some minor scratches and dings consistent with regular enjoyment. Nevertheless, it remains an eye-catching street rod that delivers classic styling, V8 performance, and the character that enthusiasts seek in a traditional American custom vehicle. 7. 1967 Chevrolet El Camino Pro Street. Price, $42,500, located in Neillsville, Wisconsin. This 1967 Chevrolet El Camino Pro Street is a powerful custom-built machine that combines muscle car performance with the practicality and uniqueness of Chevrolet's iconic car truck design. Equipped with a legendary 454 cubic inch big block V8, this El Camino delivers impressive power while remaining comfortable enough for extended road use. The engine is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission and a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring 4.10 Richmond positraction gearing. Extensive chassis upgrades include Art Morrison wheel tubs and rear subframe components, helping accommodate the aggressive pro street stance. New Mickey Thompson tires, four-wheel disc brakes, and upgraded ignition components further enhance performance and drivability. Additional highlights include a stainless steel fuel tank, stainless exhaust system with electric cutouts, forged internal engine components, roller rockers, and a Pete Jackson gear drive. The seller describes the vehicle as an excellent runner and driver capable of operating on pump gasoline. Combining classic Chevrolet styling with serious performance upgrades, this El Camino offers a unique blend of show-quality appearance, street manners, and big block power. 8. 1962 Mercury Comet Pro Street. Price, $19,000, located in Davenport, Iowa. This 1962 Mercury Comet Pro Street is a professionally built street and strip machine designed to deliver extreme performance while retaining full street functionality. Built on a custom tube chassis, the car features a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear end, Pro ladder bar 4-link suspension, adjustable rear coilovers, and a Mustang 2 front suspension with disc brakes. The result is a lightweight and highly capable platform engineered for serious horsepower. Power comes from a massive 545 cubic inch Ford Stroker big block featuring forged internals, a balanced rotating assembly, and Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads. Fuel is supplied through a 1050 Dominator carburetor running on E85 fuel. The engine is paired with an RFK-built Powerglide transmission featuring a manual valve body for precise control. Despite its race-ready capabilities, the car remains fully street legal with lights, signals, title, and a finished interior. Additional features include a professionally fabricated roll cage, trans brake, line lock, fuel cell, and performance cooling system. This radical Comet offers a rare combination of street usability and track-ready performance in a unique vintage package. 9. 1984 Ford Mustang Pro Street. Price $18,000, located in Janesville, Wisconsin. This 1984 Ford Mustang Pro Street is a show-oriented custom build that combines aggressive drag race styling with substantial supercharged horsepower. Finished in black with a gray interior, the car features a fully tubbed rear section, wheelie bars, parachute, roll cage, and numerous upgrades that create an unmistakable Pro Street appearance. Power is provided by a Chevrolet 400 small block engine equipped with a 671 supercharger, hydraulic roller camshaft, roller rockers, hardened pushrods, and upgraded cylinder heads. For even more performance potential, the vehicle is fitted with both a Fogger nitrous system and dual nitrous plates. The engine is backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission featuring a Stage 3 manual valve body and a 3200 stall converter. A Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4.56 gears, ladder bars, and rear coilover suspension help maximize traction. Additional upgrades include an aluminum radiator and electric water pump. According to the seller, the vehicle has never been raced and was primarily built for show purposes, making it a unique opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a dramatic pro street cruiser. 10. 1933 Ford Street Rod. Price $28,000, located in Columbia, Missouri. This 1933 Ford Street Rod is a Factory 5 hot rod finished in eye-catching Synergy green paint and built to provide modern performance while preserving the timeless appeal of a classic Ford coupe. Titled as a 1933 Ford and registered in 2017, this professionally assembled vehicle offers an excellent entry point into the world of custom street rods. Power comes from a Ford 351 Windsor V8 paired with a C4 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 8.8 rear axle utilizing a 4-link suspension system for improved ride quality and handling. 4-wheel Mustang disc brakes provide confident stopping power, while black 18-inch bullet wheels complement the aggressive stance. The car has accumulated fewer than 1,500 miles and retains a clean title. Inside, the vehicle features Factory 5 interior components and lighting systems that maintain a traditional hot rod atmosphere. With its turnkey condition, modern chassis engineering, and striking appearance, this 1933 Ford Street Rod offers enthusiasts a reliable and enjoyable cruiser that can be personalized further if desired. 11. 1934 Ford Pro Street. Price $35,000, located in Martinsville, Indiana. This 1934 Ford Pro Street is a serious custom-built hot rod designed to combine classic Ford styling with the power and attitude expected from a modern Pro Street machine. Built on an Outlaw frame and fitted with a Downs body, the car represents a high-quality custom build that emphasizes both performance and show car presence. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet 454 big block V8 paired with an automatic transmission, creating a drivetrain package known for strong torque and dependable street performance. The Pro Street configuration gives the vehicle an aggressive stance, wide rear tire capability, and the unmistakable appearance that has made this style popular among hot rod enthusiasts for decades. Additional modern conveniences include power-operated doors, power windows, and a power trunk system, features not commonly found on traditional hot rods. The combination of classic styling, modern amenities, and big block performance makes this vehicle equally suited for car shows, weekend cruising, and collector ownership. This 1934 Ford delivers a blend of comfort, power, and visual impact that is difficult to match in the custom hot rod world. 12. 1978 Chevrolet Caprice Aero Coupe Pro Street. Price, $19,000, located in Corydon, Indiana. This 1978 Chevrolet Caprice Aero Coupe Pro Street is a unique custom build that combines full-size Chevrolet styling with serious street and strip performance. Featuring the desirable Aero Coupe body design, this car stands apart from traditional muscle cars while offering the aggressive appearance and upgraded mechanical components expected from a pro street machine. Power comes from a built 427 cubic inch V8 equipped with performance cylinder heads, a large 850 CFM carburetor, performance camshaft, upgraded ignition system, and long tube headers. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission featuring a shift kit, ratchet shifter, and 3,500 stall converter. A Ford 9-inch rear axle with 3.89 gears and heavy-duty Moser axles helps deliver power effectively. Additional upgrades include 4-wheel disc brakes, a full roll cage, line lock system, electric cooling fans, aluminum radiator, and a notched frame. Despite its performance focus, the car retains a full interior and remains comfortable for cruising. According to the seller, it runs and drives great, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts seeking a distinctive and powerful pro street vehicle.